Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. Tonight, my topic is about beauty pageant because tonight will be the Miss Universe 2023, the 72nd Miss Universe. Actually, 8 o'clock in the evening will be in El Salvador. El Salvador is in Latin America. But tomorrow pa nato mapanood sa ABS-CBN, 9 o'clock in the morning. I have my predictions in my favorite ladies. They are my top 20 semi-finalists. 1. Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, India, Lebanon, Nepal. Si Miss Nepal, ayaw ninyo i-underestimate ha, maski tambok siya, bright si Nepal, she is very smart. Next, Nicaragua, Philippines, Puerto Rico, Russia, South Africa, Spain, Thailand, USA, Ukraine, and Zimbabwe. Those are 20 ladies na ako ang predictions. Good luck ladies. This is Alexi from Davao City.